My video went viral, like really viral. I got thousands of views in days. But guess what? My channel barely grew. I am actually sharing or saying this from a deep point of pain. Because if you have been on this space for at least 6 months, you know how painful it is to grow your channel, to post videos, to make videos, and then at the end of the day, you now get one viral video, but yet you still suffer the same frustration like someone that have not even gotten even up to 10 views. So, no spike in subscriber, no long-term growth, just noise in most instances. But guess what? My channel barely grew. No spike in subscriber, no long-term growth, just noise in all of them. It is interesting for us to know that on this very video, I'll break down why virality doesn't always mean success. I'm going to tell us from my experience, I'm sincere about this, and how you can actually grow your channel the right way. So if you actually love content like this, why not click that subscribe button so that whenever content like this drop, you'll be among the first persons to view the content. And then if you are also suffering the same challenge, where you have had 1 or 2 viral videos, yet it never changed anything, then we'll see how to build community together. So without making further ado, let's go deep into the discussion for today. What are the reasons, what are the causes why even when some of your videos have gotten viral, yet you still suffer the result of someone who is still struggling to grow his or her channel? Viral videos was outside your niche, maybe one of the challenge that you faced. Where that viral video is a video that is outside your niche. Audience didn't care about other content because it is important for you to note that what that video was all about, the content in it, is what the audience crave for. So that directly tells you that if you will restructure and re-strategize the direction for which you are making your content and focus on that particular type of content, it is highly possible that every other video that follows would also go viral. That is another way you can learn to follow your algorithm. That is another way that your analytics will help you grow your channel. But where you have seen that viral video is something that's outside your niche and you not see how to adjust, it will not make any difference. Your channel will still suffer the same thing like someone who is or who have never gotten a viral video. What is the next reason or cause for this kind of situation? No call to action in the viral video, where people only watch and they left without any call to action, such as please subscribe, please check back on other videos, and then let's see how to build community together. It will lead the audience to just be a one-time viewer, and then they never have that point where they want to return on their own willingly, except maybe the point where they finally see another video or similar video that catches their curiosity. Now, what is the next reason for someone suffering with a viral video yet the channel is not growing? Video that went viral via short form. You will have a low conversation to long form subscribers where it was just your short form videos. In fact, my first channel, what went viral was the short form video. I had multiple short form videos. Even till date, there were points I deleted all those viral form videos if my long form video will go viral. One, I did not even know, I did not even apply how to delete videos on the YouTube platform. So if you are in that category that have the attitude of deleting videos from your channel and you are not even aware that there's a strategy, check my channel. There's a video I have made on how to delete videos from your channel the right way. So I went on to delete the videos to see if they can be adjustment, but it never make any difference until date, because I have mastered the act of posting viral short form videos. My short form videos are still doing well, but my long form videos, they were no longer doing well because I'm still trying to master that act. So the truth about it is that if it was your short form video that went viral, it does not directly transcribe that your long form video will also do well. The next point that we need to note that could be the reason why your channel is not growing despite the viral form video is that you weren't ready for the traffic. Hence, there was no follow-up content. So just as I've said, if a video goes viral, whether short or long form video, it directly tells you that you should look at the direction of that video, seeing how to make video on the same kind of niche Okay. Now the next point is one hit wonder effect, where most people, they are caught up without euphoria that their video have gone viral, but they never took time to learn lessons, to follow through with their analytics or the recommendations, the reviews that were left by the audience that watched that video. So viewers liked the video, but the creators did not like the video. The creator did not pay attention to the video. It will leave the same effect. Another point, which will be the last but not the least, has to do with no channel identity or cohesion, where someone cannot directly say what your channel is all about. It can also leave your channel suffering the same effect with someone who is trying to grow his or her channel that have not even gotten one viral form video. So your channel should leave a memory with your audience that they know this is what your channel is all about. Like my channel is all about YouTube growth, it's all about business, it's all about health as number one, it's all about religious content, at the same time motivational. So when you are a lover of anything around there, you can actually check and you'll get content in that area. You cannot expect things that have to do with technology from this channel. It may only come from time to time, but you will not see frequently. But if you want something that have to do with health, trust me, you always get it on this channel. If you want something that have to do with business, you will get it. Something that have to do with motivation, you get it. Something that have to do with YouTube growth, you will get it on this particular channel. Now, what were the challenges that some of us faced after getting a viral form video? Because I also have a channel that had a long form viral video, but yet I still suffered the same challenge because I didn't master the act of getting that or sustaining that virality. So what were it? Sudden spike in views, but no long-term gain. So because I did not maximize my opportunity, so I did not get a long-term gain even after I got monetized. The next one is discouragement after massive reach leads to little growth. So when you have gotten a massive reach, but yet you get little growth, it can lead to discouragement in most instances. The next one is that difficulty in reproducing success. When there's pressure to chase that virality, most people are caught up with that pressure just to chase the virality. It will also lead to difficulty in reproducing the success. So you have to take your time, calm down, follow it in details. You get? The next point is subscribers burnout. New subscribers don't engage with future content. You should know this. You should know this. It is actually the revisiting subscribers, those persons that revisit your channel, that will build your channel for you. You should not expect that everybody that visits your channel for the first time would always come back. But where you have mastered the act of retaining your audience, building curiosity, it is possible that new subscriber will actually visit back. They will turn to returning subscriber. Now, confusion on what type of content to make next. Most people, they are caught up with that confusion of what content should I make next so that I will sustain the same result. What are the solutions? At this point, it is necessary that we get the better and best recommendation on how to sustain the virality results. First, create a follow-up content immediately to sustain and to keep your momentum. And I have said it earlier, the content should be tailored towards that niche, towards that kind of content. All right. The next strategy is for you to add a strong call to actions in a viral video. Ask viewers to subscribe and to explain. Also ensure you explain your channel to your viewers so that they know what your channel is all about. Drop a strong call to action in every video that you make. Align with viral videos with your core niche. So ensure that your content are tailored towards that particular niche so that you reproduce the same result. The next one is for you to turn a one-time viewer into fans by building community. How do you build community? I've said it earlier. You can build communities through engaging with your fans, with your viewers on the comment box. You can also build that community through going live, through live streaming, and then also through polls. If you check the button that has to do with post, that's where you find these polls, where you can drop topics such as what content should I post next, or this topic and this topic, which one would you want me to make the next video. Then your fans, your people in your community will actually click through. This will also help you to give you the video recommendation. What is the next thing for you to do? Use a pinned comment and end screen strategically. So you will see those bigger YouTubers that immediately, in fact, before you open the comment box, there's a comment that is pinned. That in most instances, those comments drive curiosity because of how the words that are used for those comments. So learn on how to strategically use the pinned comment as well as the end screens, which is the video that popped up towards the end of your video. So if you want to know how to create the end screen, let me know in the comment box and I'll see how to make a video in that line. The next one have to do with you making your channel page welcoming and clear to your audience. Don't just have a scattered channel. Clean up your channel so that when viewers come, they know what to expect. They'll be cut off with, their attention will be cut off with seeing beautiful and eye-catching content, beautiful and eye-catching thumbnails on your channel. Now, without making further ado, because I've always promised us that if you stay true to the end of my video, I always drop things to avoid, especially for growing YouTubers, as well as those persons who may be having similar challenge, so that they see how to re-strategize. So what are the things to avoid? One, don't rely on virality as a strategy. It is actually unpredictable. Video you will not even expect will go viral may end up being the video that would go viral. If you are one person that have had similar experience, let me know in the comment box. Because I definitely know there are people like me, the videos I even thought would not do well are the ones that actually went viral. The next thing to avoid is for you should not shift your niche just to chase more views. Don't just be in a haste to shift your niche just to get more views. If it is a niche that you know you don't have sufficient information on, it is not subscribing with your kind of personality, then don't just move to it. So your niche should be something that subscribe to your knowledge bank as well as your kind of personality. The next one is that don't assume that views is equals to fans. You have to earn subscribers. What it simply means is that for you to build a community, it is coming from a standpoint of emotional connectedness and trust that they are built over time. So new viewers will not immediately transcribe to your fans. It takes time. So at this point, I want to ask, have you ever had a video that have blow up but you got nothing out of it? Let me know in the comment box. Let's talk about it in the comment. Let's see how to share our experience. At the same time, if you are chasing virality, please pause and plan your follow-up, or you will waste your moment. You waste the entire effort. Really take time to plan and re-strategize. Please, if you are yet to subscribe and you want to get the real truth on how to avoid your channel being flopped even after getting a viral video, or how to grow your channel in the right way, please ensure you subscribe. Subscribe if you actually want the real truth about growing your YouTube channel, not just about the hype. Because if you are a growing YouTuber, if you are a new or first time subscriber or first time viewer on this channel, I would like to let us know that this channel is where you are going to be getting the best quality of video, best content of video as related with YouTube growth, health, business, motivation, and religious related content. That's why I look forward to that moment where this particular channel becomes your most favorite click. But for now, if you have watched to this point, you have a question, you have a suggestion, let us know in the comment box. If not, stay safe and see you on subsequent video. Cheers.